In this video, we will show you how to get blue tick on Instagram. To get blue tick on Instagram, it's very easy. You must pay it to get the blue tick. How to do that? Just click the options, okay? After that, you can select Meta Verified. And in here, you can see, you can build trust with Meta Verified. You will get the blue tick, okay? It means you are verified page and increase account protection, enhance support, add image to your links, personal link page, search optimization, unique sticker, and another advantage if you have verified and blue tick like this. Just click next after that, and you can see you must pay per month here to add the blue tick or verified icon. You can just click agree and click continue. You will redirect it to payment verification or payment method. And that's all how you can get blue tick on Instagram. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.